Today, we're going to see if the Valkyrie can survive running on 6S. Gotta have it. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. That's right, the Valkyrie. If you remember, I have upgraded the ESC. We got a BL150, 150 amp ESC and a larger motor in here. It is 6S capable. I've just been a little afraid of trying it. Today, we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot. I don't even know if this battery is gonna fit. I hope it will. But yeah, we're gonna give it a shot, see how fast this thing goes on 6S. Wow, you can already, when you put this battery in, the weight that it has, so that it's definitely not something you want to run in this car all the time. But yeah, the guy that makes these great GPS holders, RC Guy Garage, he had a live last night and he was talking how he ran his Valkyrie on 6S. But for some reason, I don't know, man, his stuff is slow. He never seems to get any kind of speed out of his cars, man. I guess he's just not good like me. So we'll see what we can't get out of this insanity. I've been wanting to do this, but I've been worried about these plastic axles. Although, you know, he's had a problem with the pins shooting out. I haven't had that problem, but man, you never know. I'll be damned if it. Let's see. There you go. You had 6. I forget what motor's actually in here. It's not much. It's a little bit longer. I believe it's a little bit longer than oh no, it is a little bit longer and wider. That's right. It's just a little bit higher KV. I didn't want to increase the KV because this thing was already insanely fast. But I guess now we'll see exactly how fast it is. There we go. We got speed. Alrighty. Oh. Oh man. Alright, this is gonna be another one of those. Have to be gentle on the throttle here. Oh. Yeah, I don't. Oh man, I don't know if we're gonna. It's hard to keep this thing straight. Yeah. Oh man, I got too much gyro in there. It's freaking going crazy. See that thing wagging? Damn. I don't even know what this is gonna be. As soon as I get full throttle, man, it just getting that front end. Phooey. Good grief. I'm thinking maybe it's the tires are just ballooning so much. It's bringing that front end up, and the wind's just picking it. Oh lordy, that thing's all over the place. Man, I don't know. I don't think we're gonna get a top speed out of this. I gotta remember which one of these is my gyro. Alright, so it's that one. Well, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Where the hell's it going? The trim on it. I hate setting the trim on this Dumbo radio because it's all electronic. Damn. I'm gonna end up in thermal before long, before I get this thing to try to do anything. I think I might just have to call it. I don't know. I don't think we're gonna get this thing to stay on the ground. I so want to get this done. Jeez, I cannot keep it down. Good grief. Frickin' dink, man. Yeah, it just ain't gonna do it, man. Can't. Oh, there it went. Ooh. I had full throttle on for a second there. Now I don't know where it's going. Alright, let's come back. See, I need to set the trim. It's pulling. I just don't want to. I hate messing with the stupid trim. Because the thing that bothers me with the Dumbos is when you reverse the servo, you also have to reverse. So if it's pulling to the right, you have to adjust it to the right if you had the servo reverse, which you almost always have to do. It's freaking ass backwards. But I guess it needs to be. I guess it needs to be done one way or another. 66. See, it's not. It didn't get any faster. I don't believe. I believe we were around that same speed. So KV, the motors, the KV were obviously, even on 4S, had enough power in a 4S battery to get that motor to the full KV revolution. So 6S didn't add anything, but it definitely adds a whole lot more torque. Because I don't remember this thing being quite it definitely wasn't this power happy. Because I mean, look, we're going 60 miles an hour and the thing's just pulling wheelies. I'm just, like I said, I'm afraid of breaking these plastic axles with the additional power. But if it breaks, I guess it breaks. But what would be even worse is busting a diff or something. Let's make sure everything works. Yeah, we got it. I'll tell you what, this thing would have been my car of the year in a heartbeat if it wasn't for the overheating issues. Oh. Another issue with this thing is just the maintenance. Getting into these diffs is such a major pain in the ass. I mean, and I'm trying to remember everything. I think a lot of it had to do with just getting the stupid pins out of those drive axles. Man, this is a good RC. tremendous value. I mean, it's still a great, and it was really hard to, between this and the Synchro 4, but this thing just with the overheating issues. I mean, I've never had a car go into overheat so easy. The battery straps are pathetically short. Oh no! Eesh. It is really touchy on 6S. Woo! Look, that's beautiful. Beautiful little jump there. But yeah, I don't, you know. Ooh. Wow. Oh. Oh, there went the battery. Because I can't strap it in. Because this thing can't even strap in a freaking 4S. Yeah, I thought about that. I was like, I probably shouldn't do much jumping. Then I kind of forgot. That's a really good way to break something, is have your battery shoot out. Pull the wires out of the ESC or something. Then you got this weird tether system here with these clips. But yeah, man, this is a really good RC. Wow, if you buy one, I'd get some better battery straps. That's, you know, I just ordered something from Tyson too, and he's got like the best battery straps ever. And I was thinking to myself, I was like, I thought I needed straps. And I didn't order. Guess I need to go rethink that. Woo! Woo, 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 woo. That is hot, 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 hot. Wow. On 4S, this motor did not get hot at all. I mean, it's maybe a little bit warm, but not hot, hot, hot. I think it has to do with this damn idler gear setup. Why they did that, I had no idea. But I think it just adds a little too much friction in the drivetrain there, just spinning that extra gear. So yeah, matter of fact, I think I'm just going to call it a day at that, because I'm not trying to burn this thing down. This is just kind of a fun experiment to see if we could run it on 6. Or, I mean, I knew it would, but I just kind of wanted to have some fun. See, you know, if it did pick up any speed and all that, you know, just, but it is really cool RC. It's a great price. I wouldn't let, you know, it deter you from getting it. Worst case, you can run this thing on 3S. It's fine. If you're in a cooler environment, 4S probably be fine too. When I was running, it was dead of summer, man. It was already like 98 degrees coming out of the car out here. So I mean, obviously now we're December. It's a bit cooler. 6S, yeah, it's making it hot, but check out the Garage Life RC wing. It is kind of a universal. I did have to drill the holes, another set of holes there to make it work, but tell me that does not look amazing. Maybe that's it caused so much downforce it picked my front end up. But yeah, man, the Valkyrie. So there we have it. Like I said, I saw RC Guy Garage. He said he ran his on 6S and it survived. I was just afraid these pins on these axles would shoot out, because you got these like little pins right here in these CV axles. There's a little set screw and then a pin, and it's a horrible setup. Most of the time when you take these out, you can just open it up and put a screwdriver through here, unscrew it and pull the whole thing out, but not with the Redcat. You gotta actually go in and take the whole damn diff out if you want to replace those like drive cups, because they're part of the diff. And actually, if you break a drive cup, you're buying a whole new diff. Ask Chris with the C. Because he got something probably caught up in here, and then he shattered that drive cup right up in there. But the Valkyrie, there it is. It does on 6S, man. It's an absolute beast too. Absolute beast on 6. It actually still, I was really surprised. It jumped really well, having all this extra weight of the battery. I guess that's probably why when it jumped, it was kind of like leaning. That's probably why I didn't even think about that. I was like, I noticed it kind of, but that really is a cool car. Hands down would have been my car of the year if it wasn't for the overheat issues, and like I said, maintenance is just really, really hard to work on. Trying to get into the diffs and stuff. I don't like that idler gear setup. I really like to see, it would really be cool if somebody, M2C or somebody, would make a gear case, a motor case. You could put a motor in and we can get rid of that idler setup. Maybe that would be freaking amazing if we could do that. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed watching the Valkyrie. Yes, I know it was short. We didn't, I can't say that the parts in this are going to survive on 6S on this short of a run, but it did survive. It is 6S capable. But yeah, that's going to last time I'm going to put 6. It's just too much weight for this little car. But there you go. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Appreciate the support, guys. I have you discount codes in the links down below. If you shop certain places, have you discount codes. If you're interested in any of this stuff, please use like my AMAIN or Horizon links. It's affiliate link. Helps me out to buy these things. Same with Amazon. If you're interested in anything, I have people all the time asking like, what fan is that? Where'd you get that? It's in my Amazon store under RC. Also, if you're just gonna go buy your wife some conditioner or whatever, you're buying dog food, if you start out at my store, you don't even have to shop in the store. My store is your homepage. Do the shopping. It helps me out. And those of you that do that, thank you so much. But man, the Valkyrie, cool little car. We'll have more. I'm not one of those channels that gets a car for review and then you never see it again. I buy these. These are mine. I buy them because I like them for the most part. And you'll see more and more of them. We'll take them out and cycle through the collection as stuff happens. So again, hope you enjoyed watching the Valkyrie run today. Thanks for the support. See you on the next one.